This conference will now be recorded.
Doubts or queries you have?
Sir, when I'm creating the characteristic on date, I am facing some error.
What is that error? What error you are getting? Can you share? Can you share your screen and show me what is the error you are getting?
Yes, sir. Please give
I made
me,
you as
Ravi
I
Ranjan,
made you
please
as
give
a
me.
presenter. So I made you as a presenter. Can you check? No, don't put the date and all those things. Just go to the additional data. Can you go back? Go back. Don't put anything. Just go to the additional data. And try to maintain a characteristic and the characteristic field, technical field name and the characteristic the table name CEBAN. Okay, those are keep it as it is. Keep them as it
Okay.
is. Date how you are giving date 26/09/2024 space minus the space like that you need to give
Space.
26.09.2024 space
Right.
minus space. Give space there. Yes, now you enter 31/12/2024. 31/12/2024.
Yes, sir. Done. Done.
Okay, save it.
Yes, sir. Done.
Did you enter the interval value cell load or not?
Not, sir.
Interval values for the date, you also need to check the interval value cell load, right? Did you check
Okay.
that one or not?
No, sir. No, sir. Till actually these after that error, I did not proceed to cover the data.
Go to change mode. No, not creation, change. Same, enter the same transaction. Go to change button is there, right? Second one. Now select interval value cell load.
Interval value.
Yes.
Say only save.
Yes, for the date you need to select interval value cell load as well. Why? Because the date
Okay.
can be a range like this,
Okay.
right? So date can be a range like this. Okay.
Okay.
So then any other doubts from the line? I think no
No,
one
sir.
is practicing, only Raviranjan is practicing it seems. What about others? Okay, team. So let us start. If there is no questions, we will discuss about. So yesterday we were able to discuss about the release process for the purchase requisitions, but we were able to complete the entire configuration, but somehow it is not triggering the release. What could be the reason? Let me cross check. So let me go to the SAP application India 123 and go to the, let me try to create one purchase requisition. So let me first see the configuration. SPRO, then IMZ. So then materials management, purchasing, purchase requisition, right? Purchase requisition, then release procedure for the purchase requisitions, procedure with classification, setup release procedure with classification, release strategies. So this is the release strategy which we try to create it, right? Any issue? Somebody already defined one more release strategy. No? Is this the one? I think somebody already defined one more release strategy. It's the same way how we defined. Maybe the system is getting confused. It seems. S is not there. Two release strategies. Huh? I think maybe this is the issue. Let me delete this one. The one did someone created this one out of you? Anyone created
No,
this
sir.
release strategy? I think let me delete this one. It seems this is giving some confusion. It seems. What happened? Yesterday we were able to trigger this thing, right? Let me try to statuses. Status is B for blocked or for release. Then a simulation classification, right? Okay, let me now try to save it. So I deleted the other ones and kept this one only. Let us now try to create one purchase requisition. I will take existing purchase requisition and try to copy and create, right? Let me try to check and save it. me go to the MA23N. Uh, Somehow release strategy is not being triggered. Right. Let me create one a new purchase. Oh, I should have created purchase requisition, right? ME51 here. Three to seven ME53N. It's not triggering. Let me create one more purchase requisition. We will say ME51N. So document type will be NB material. Let us see the material. Hello, I will call just in 2 minutes. Right, so MM60 3000 is the plant, ROH is the material. Right. Let me take this material. I will take only one material. Quantity is 1000. Plant is 3000. 001, 001, and 3000. It's not triggering. Something wrong over here. Okay. Let me go to the ME53N and see. Now here there is a release strategy should come over here. It is not coming. I think we have some issues with our release strategy configuration. Now let me see. SPRO implementation guide, materials management, purchasing, purchase requisition, release procedure, procedure with classification. Like what is our characteristics? Do we have any issue with our characteristics? Let me check the characteristics. So these are the characteristics, right? Let me see. I will check all the configuration. Characteristic values are NBFO, additional data, BSART. Is this correct? BSART? SC11 CE ban, right? SC11 CE ban, BSART. Okay, this is correct. Then the second one is the purchasing group, EKGRP. EKGRP, right? EKGRP, this is also correct. Date. Maybe the issue with the date, it seems. Date values will be ER dat, right? 2904 C ben ER dat. ER dat, okay. Plant is works. C ben works, correct only. EKORG, correct only. And GSWRT. GSWRT, is this correct value? GSWRT, correct only. Right, everything is correct. Then let me go to the class. So PR class 75, right? So we have mapped the characteristics to the class. 6 characteristics, right? Okay, we were able to map the characteristics to the class. Then set up procedure with classification. PR is the class which we were able to create, and we were able to map the class to the release group. This is item level release. Somebody created a header level release. That is fine. Let me delete this one. So only header level release, item level release is available now. Release codes PR, or what is the one which we created? PR only, right? Okay, PR. So PR D1 to D7, we were able to map it here. D7, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8. So this is fine. Then release indicators are B for blocked, R for release. Then release strategies. Release prerequisites are fine. Statuses blocked under release. Then classification. Document type NB. Release group 000. Date is 2907. 2909 2024 to 31/12/2024. Client purchase organization. Purchase organization value is greater than 0. Then simulation. Table manager. So Let me try to check this one. Okay, everything is working fine. Let me save this. Let me create one PO now. I will see. Let me create purchase requisition. ME. I think we are missing some more thing. Let me cross check the document type. Purchase requisition document type. Let me check. NB, right? NB is the purchase requisition document type. I think this is the case. Overall release strategy checkbox activated for the purchase requisition document type. Maybe this is the issue because of which it is not triggering item level release strategy. Let me create purchase requisition now. We will see. You see, so I am trying to create the purchase requisition with one line item. You see, there is a release strategy checkbox came here, right? So it has 8 levels of approval. Now the requisition line item is in status blocked, right? So this is this line item will go through 8 levels of approval one by one. Let us say I create one more line item. So this is line item number 2, right? So for line item number 2 also there is a individual release strategy triggered over here for 8 levels. Again line item number 3. I created one more line item. It will also go through the separate release strategy. So like this, if a purchase requisition has multiple line items, all the line items will go through the approval individually in case of the item level release strategy, right? So we created a item level release strategy. That means every line item should be reviewed individually by each and every level and try to approve the each and every line item one by one as a item level release strategy. Let me try to save this release strategy. So the requisition has 3 line items. Every line item should be approved and reviewed individually. What is the transaction to review the requisition release? ME54N. Materials management, purchasing, purchase requisition, release ME54M. So let us say I am the supervisor, but this is the test system. In the real time environments or the production environment, if I am the supervisor, I will only approve supervisor level only. I cannot approve assistant manager or manager production department, etc. But here, but here, this is the test system. I can approve all the levels one by one. Let us say I have reviewed and I wanted to approve it. So I will have line item number 10, right? Line 1, I wanted to approve it. I will approve like this. Now it will go to the assistant manager. He will also review and approve it. Then manager, then senior manager, then AGM, then we have GM production, right? Then CEO. So this is only first line item, right? So CEO also approved. Still, my request item is in blocked status, means I cannot convert this requisition into a order, right? If eighth person approved, my status of the requisition change it to release. That means I can further process this particular purchase requisition for the subsequent activities. Now I will go to the line item number 2. Again, line item number 2 should be reviewed by all the people and I approve it. Then line item number 3 should be individually released and approved by all the levels of people. So this is the way you need to release the requisition line items one by one. You need to release if it is a item level release strategy. So what is header level release? Header level means if I have 3 line items, all the 3 line items will be approved by supervisor in one go. If he approved supervisor, so if it is header level release strategy, the header level checkbox will come over here as a header level release strategy. In such cases, if supervisor release, all the line items will be released in one go, right? But what are the settings for the header level release strategy? The settings for the header level release strategy are, you need to have the document type is selected as overall release strategy indicator activated. If you have the document type activated for overall release strategy, along with that, in the setup procedure also, you need to activate overall release strategy checkbox. If you do this, the release strategy will be behaving as header level. Let me quickly create one purchase order. Let us see will it work or not. I will select this and copy. Now item level is not there, right? Now item level not came. But what about header level? Do we need to do any other setting? It should come over here. Let me save it. ME54N. But somehow the header level release strategy did not trigger. The same way how I received the release strategy, it will also come at the header level as a release strategy. If supervisor released, it will release all the line items in one go. But somehow this is not triggering. Maybe we have one more setting where we need to do the header level checkbox needs to be activated. If it is a header level release strategy, we need to activate the overall release strategy checkbox for the purchase requisition document type. Along with that, we also need to activate the overall release strategy checkbox in the release group configuration over here. But why it is not triggered? Any other issues we have? I think we have. Let me go to that class. We will see. Do we need to have any of the another settings for the class? I think only these are the settings. We do not have any other setting. It seems. Let me see. Not sure why it is not triggering. We will see, Tim. When we are discussing about the purchase order release strategy, you will come to know how a header level release strategy works. Right. So with this, we were able to discuss the step number one of the P2P process, that is create purchase requisition and generate the release strategy for the purchase requisition stream. Then the next step will be vendor selection process. So step number two in the business scenario is a vendor selection process. So this we will see it on tomorrow session. So are you able to follow the release strategy team for the purchase requisitions? So
Yes,
this is
sir.
one of the very important topic. Release strategy for the purchase requisitions is very important topic. If you go to any of the interview, there will be a question. Right. Please practice it and let me know if you have any doubts in tomorrow's session. Okay, team. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.